to cook a pizza on TP Products Pizza Oven. So what do we have here today? We've got the single square pizza dough. The perfect pizza oven for any occasion, for parties. It's a great gift. And the most popular product, pizza oven from TP Products at this moment. So this is the two parts of the pizza spade, and we're going to build it quickly. Alright, so you just take out the screws and you put it into that holes, and there you've got your perfect pizza spade. Here is one already done for us, and Johan has put a pizza on there for us already to do the cooking. Okay, what is this? This is your pizza oven. You will see there's a hole down there. Okay, and there is your thermometer on top so that you can see what is the heat inside of a pizza oven. Alright, over here we have our pizza cutter, and then we've got the ceramic plate. Alright, we're gonna put it inside of the pizza oven. Remember, with the ceramic pizza plate, don't wash it, never put any chemicals on it. Just scrape it off when there's any cheese or any meat that's on the plate. You can just scrape it off. Don't wash it, never put water on it. Okay, so what is the difference between the two pizza ovens? Only basically a round ceramic stone or a square ceramic stone. So it is what you like, what you prefer. And they both can make a pizza between 6 to 8 minutes. Delicious.